Hi, so today we are going to be unboxing this magic keyboard with the numeric keypad, and we're going to review it, I guess. So, guess I'm going to kind of get this plastic off around it. Plastic. Magic keyboard is numeric keypad. So, I'm gonna really get this. See, I have scissors in here. So, I already kind of got it. So then, keyboard. Just getting that plastic part off is kind of hard sometimes. So, take it off. Nice and hot. This box feels nice. God dang it. Oh, so I guess I just gotta set it and this is cool. Let's see, so this is a keyboard. Oh, it's got a cover on it. Let's see. That's the keyboard. Oh, I hope it comes with Apple stickers. Let's see. So it comes with this, and it comes with a charger, which also works with iPhone, or you got an iPad, or AirPods. Okay, this is awesome. It's got this numeric keypad. Let's see, Apple stickers. Let's see. No Apple stickers. So the keyboard kind of feels like a butterfly keyboard. And it's got this nice numeric keypad. It's got the full-size arrow keys. The keys are really thin. Look at that. Especially compared to this Logitech Mac keyboard. This Logitech Mac keyboard, the keys are a little bit thicker, which I kind of like. And this charges with lightning, as you can see, which I think is really cool. And there's a power switch right here. Let's see if it comes with any power. I honestly can't tell because there's no lights or something. But I think it might. I don't know. So it's got all the regular keys like escape, like caps lock. Oh, I don't know. I turned it off. Let's see. I think it might be power. So it's got command, or if you pair this to Windows, you can use the two commands as the Windows key, which I think is cool. So feels good. Home row. It's got this. It's got this key, the one to escape a disk. I guess if you have like a disk drive. So this is a keyboard. Type. Type really fast too. Yeah, I can type pretty fast. And yeah, I think that's about it. So that's kind of a short, random little video.
Talk about the difference between that and this.
Oh, and just real quick, I'm going to have a little competitor, which is this one. It's basically, it's a wired Magic Keyboard. It's got a little bit thicker keys. It's got a wire. And it's got,
Is it USB?
it goes into USB. And it has two USB ports on each side, while this one doesn't. And one difference is the escape key is way smaller. The escape key is right here. It's pretty big. And I think the command key is, I think the command, option, control keys are bigger on this one. Yeah, I think that's about it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.